Juice of pomegranate.
So here we go, pomegranate juice.
Yes. Do you like that?
Oh my god, it is amazing. It is amazing. Good afternoon everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere coming at you from Muriqan, Albania. This place is located literally 5-minute drive from the border with Montenegro to the north. Over here we have the Adriatic Sea and over there we have Lake Skorar. Today I'm here at Agroturizem Shega, which means pomegranate. This place is famous because they produce pomegranate juice. Unfortunately right now it's August and the pomegranates aren't going to be ready until September, but I'm still going to try some juice. We're going to get a tour of the property because they also produce tomatoes, tangerines, and we're gonna have dinner here. And if you want to experience like real village life up here in northern Albania, you can stay here for a night, 2 nights, walk around the village and really get a local experience. Let's go inside, let's drink some pomegranate juice, maybe some rakia. Let's do this. So there's the property. Right here we have the house. Over here we have a little garden. Up there we have a bunch of different trees. I don't know exactly what's up there.
This is a bottle of water cold.
Not rakia, not rakia.
Rakia, no.
So these are the pomegranates, right? I love pomegranate. Oh, it's so good. I can't wait to try the juice. And these aren't ready, as you can see. Really, really hard. Not ready yet, still got about a month to go. Now that we saw the pomegranate trees, let's go try some juice. This is the house. As I said before, you can stay here. Over here we have the garden, really nice area. You can just sit out here. Oh guys, it's like easily 100 degrees right now.
No corona, no corona. No.
This guy's too funny. Perfect.
This machinery is making for the juice of pomegranate.
So here we go, pomegranate juice.
Yes. Do you like that?
Oh my god. It is amazing. It is amazing. Gazor, gazor, gazor. Gazor. You don't make raki pomegranate? Super fresh, super fruity. I love pomegranate. Almost like a super berry, super berry.
This food of pomegranate can press.
So the way you make the pomegranate juice, he cuts it in half, he puts it into this machine, and then he presses it down, and the juice comes down.
Gazor.
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 Gazor. Gazor.
Welcome in our house.
This is super delicious, refreshing in this heat. My god. The amount of fruit in there, and pure, no added sugar, nothing.
It has not sugar. It's very delicious.
Right above us we have figs. Yeah, I'll try. This guy's too funny. He's getting figs for me. I'm gonna go up here with him. Ho 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 ho. This is awesome.
Davis.
Look at this. Eating a super fresh fig. Mmm. Mmm. Oh man. So good. Oh my god.
No.
Yeah? More? Oh, flesh. I love it inside. It's like an alien.
No coronavirus tu, ska coronavirus tu.
And they also produce grapes, so they have grapevines. And these are what? Apricots. Pears.
Pears.
Tomato, tangerine, grape.
Onions.
Here to the left we have white grapes, and over there we have red grapes. Wow, this is awesome. They produce grapes all over Albania. Let me see those. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna try a red grape. Oh my god. So juicy. A little sour.
It's delicious.
It's delicious. It's gonna be ready in like 2 months, no, for harvest. They don't make wine here, but you sell the grapes, no? Oh man, that one was good. Super juicy. What a burst. And this guy has rakia?
For you.
Oh, these look great. Not as sweet as the other one. Super sour. And all seeds too. How many rooms?
2.
2 rooms. So this is a room with 2 beds, air conditioning. We have a table over here, and we have the bathroom. And what's really, really cool, one awesome feature is this big tree. I mean, it's to put, you know, your bags, your hats, etc. Very nice.
Hat, bags. Another room is here. 2 bedrooms, cupboard. The bathroom is here. Bathroom.
So this is the kitchen. This is where the mother cooks for you every single day. She's gonna cook a delicious dinner for us. And before we have dinner, let's have some rakia. Yeah.
Raki.
He really wants me to try his local rakia from the village. It's good, smooth.
È forte?
È forte.
È forte.
È forte, è forte. Brindiamo, brindiamo.
Oh! Oh!
Let's go see the tomatoes. Tomatoes, tangerines. I mean, they produce more than that. They produce vegetables. Wow, the sun being here at 5. 4 was horrible. Right now, it's cooling down. It's nice, beautiful temperature. Here we have more pomegranate. Beautiful, huge. So they get up to the 1 kilogram, and they're not ready until September, October. This is tomate.
Tomate.
Yeah, wow. But nothing's ready yet, yeah, nothing's ready. It's not season, I guess. So as you can see over here, you have small tomatoes, but nothing big and plump and red. Yeah, there's only a little bit, not that many, but it's big. So this area where they grow tomatoes is tented. It's very big. There's like 20 rows, a few hundred plants. And yeah, they're not ready yet, so let's continue and see what else he has on the property.
Portocale.
Portocale.
Portocale. Mandarina. Limoi.
And here we have their lime. Nice. Whew. Smells good. Smells fresh. What's up, my friend? So that tangerine isn't ripe yet, but over here we have, she says this is an orange, but to me, this looks like a lime. Oh, that's the lemon?
Ah, si ga je erin,
The lime.
Oh yeah, that's lemon for sure.
hè? Pak ze maar door.
This chicken makes every day 2 eggs, 3 eggs in one day.
So that is the rooster. These are the hens.
Yes.
Obviously female hens. They're the ones that lay eggs daily. Oh, so you get fresh eggs every day. It's amazing.
Oh, mas maar ze maar tot
What you filming?
You can ook chef ook als
So you put the vines along these trees.
Wine.
Yeah, he doesn't make wine, he just sells the grapes, right?
Nas boim weer, hè? Bob? No boim weer. Vera, boim. Van.
Ja, nog ban.
No boim. Not making wine. Not making. Only eat.
So these tomatoes are a little past being ripe. You know, some of them are throwaways. You can see right here, they see a little moldy. He's saying the ones that are still decent, he uses them for salad. Like these. These are perfect. Look at them. These are great. No mold. Nothing wrong with them. This is a little past. So he basically, if he throws it away, he'll probably just give it to like some animals. You know, they always give it back to the animals, because if not, you're just throwing it away, and just like it's bad to throw food away. Here at the very end of the tomato garden, you have eggplant, so one long row of eggplant, and over here he has, I guess these are peppers? Yeah, these are peppers. These are like yellow pepper, orange pepper, red pepper. I mean, this is great. So I love Albania. Farm to table. We're gonna eat dinner tonight with all these vegetables. Well, not the tomatoes, because those are past due.
Little tomatoes. This name is pomodorini. They are very tasty.
Yeah?
Very tasty.
Yes, yes, yes. I found another one. Another one. Beautiful. Herman's tortoise. I love it. So cute. Wow. So basically he just pulled out some beans from the ground. Amazing. You have so many things here. It's like never ending. So I think it's time to go cook dinner. This guy's the man. He was like, we're gonna try some of these tomatoes. We're gonna take them out of the garden, take them to dinner. Perfect. I'm so excited. Delicious. We're gonna actually have chicken. It's an awesome chicken.
She's cooking the chicken. In this has the water.
This is like a chicken broth,
Yes,
basically.
broth, yes.
Chicken broth, okay, nice. And what's this? She's gonna cook something else here?
This is for the cake.
For the cake?
Traditional. That is called Davidsbeenhere.
She's gonna show me how to make her traditional cake. So she has eggs, milk that she just put inside, and sugar. And then over here we have flour.
When this is in the end, we can take the flour and put here.
So when the milk is done cooking, so it's oil and milk, when it's done, she's gonna add the flour. As soon as the dough is ready, she put it onto this pan, and she added the egg and started mixing it. The thing is, it's on fire. It's like her hands are burning while she's doing it. So it's the best way for the dough to absorb the egg. As you can see, I mean, she just doesn't stop. She keeps mixing, keeps mixing, keeps mixing, and then once it's ready, she's gonna like flatten it, I'm sure, and then she's gonna put it in here for 30 minutes to bake. So she mixes the egg with the dough for 5 minutes until it's really been mixed. I mean, it's like even changing textures. Look at that, and the color is like bright yellow now. As you can see, now she's flattening it. Super flat, very thin. It's gonna be like that thin, and she's gonna put it in.
Separate the cake.
She's cutting the cake before it's baked.
Yes.
So she's cutting it now. She's making these rows. So I guess she goes multiple rows. Is she gonna go this way too?
Yes.
Yeah, that way too? Okay, great. Awesome. The owner here is too funny. He's like, come on, we have to have a glass of wine. I'm like, okay. He's like, I have Greek, I have Italian. I'm like, where's the Albanian wine? He's like, oh, I got a bottle of Albanian wine. So we're having Albanian wine. Red, right? Red. It's called Tore Shesh. So this is actually indigenous grape, the Shesh.
30 minutes.
How long?
Yes, for 30 minutes.
I won't lie, I am exhausted. The sun, the heat, but I feel good. Let's try this.
No.
It's nice, it's fruity. I'm personally enjoying all the Albanian wines. They're so different, they're unique. They have international grapes and then they have their own indigenous grapes, and this is an indigenous grape. Wow. After 30 minutes, the cake is ready. But first, we have to have dinner. So I'm gonna have some onion, tomato salad, some cheese on the side, and I'm gonna have some chicken with potatoes. All right, guys, it's time for dinner. I'm actually gonna dive on like a bunch of appetizers here. So we have pickles, we have tomatoes, onion with oil. Here we have olives from the garden. This is traditional cheese from the area, goat cheese with onion. And over here we have bread that the mother makes, right? So I'm gonna grab a piece of bread, for sure. One of these pieces of cheese. Oh, I love the cheese here in Albania. And the olives, I'm just gonna grab one from here. Nice and oily. A lot of people don't like olives. I personally love it. I'm a huge fan of it. Mediterranean, you eat it everywhere. Spain, Italy, Greece, wherever you go, eat it. Over here, we have tomatoes and onion. Get some of this, just a little bit. I don't want to get too full. I still have chicken, potatoes, and cake. I know it's for me, but it's a lot of food. And then here we have a pickle.
You are so hungry.
So this pickle, I just eat like this?
What? Do you like?
Oh, I like it. A little sour, but it's good. Very moist. It's like dripping. Look at that.
Yes.
And this is from the garden, right?
Yes.
Farm to table.
Oh,
The best.
all the shade.
All right, time to try the bread. Oh, super nice fluffy bread. Pair that with the cheese. So it's like a feta cheese, but it's not salty at all. Beautiful. So I personally love mixing tomatoes with the feta. It's the best. What I love about this is that we actually pick these tomatoes ourselves right now. We just did. Amazing. The food in Albania every single day is amazing. It's better and better and better. I mean, it's hard to say it's better and better, but it's always so good, so fresh.
This dessert is making with water and sugar. Only water and sugar.
Okay, so what she added here is sugar syrup on top, and instead I have to wait till it's cold. Can't eat it right now. And lastly, we have chicken and potatoes. Oh, so super hot. Wow, it's a light fry. All right, the chicken was way too hot. I didn't let it settle enough, so what I did is I cut it up, and now I let it sit for like 5 minutes. Oh man, so fresh, so delicious. It's amazing. And this chicken came from his garden. Mix this with a delicious cheese. Get more cheese. So fresh, so tender, incredible. So French fries. Wow. Even though I've eaten a little bit of everything, I got really full already. So I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna wait for the cake. Can't wait. Cake. And the final thing we're eating tonight is Davidsbeenhere, which is the famous cake of the neighborhood or the village, right? And this is it. So it looks super thick, sweet. The sweet syrup has basically gone deep into the dough. Davidsbeenhere. The best way to explain it is that it's like a thick cracker. It's like super dense, and then it's full of sugar syrup, but not overly killed, like not too much sugar. Oh, it's good. It's fantastic. I love it. I'll take it home. I'll take it home. She's giving me a peach to go. Thank you. If I keep eating, I'm gonna pop. So.
Do you have more?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. She's too funny. For two daughters. I don't think it's gonna make it 2 weeks. Gozuar to Agroturizem Shega. Great experience up here. If you ever find yourself in Skadar, drive up here. It's only a 25-minute drive. Also 5 minutes from the Montenegro border. In case you are Montenegro, you can still come down here. And yeah, you can have a real, authentic, local experience. You can stay here. They have plenty of rooms. You can see the process of how they press the pomegranate and make pomegranate juice. That's in September, October. So if you come when I came in August, you can still drink the juice because they still have it, but they don't have season. You can get a full experience around the property. You can see the tomatoes, peppers. You can even probably see a tortoise if you want. They're like all over the place. And then after, you can come in here and see how she makes the famous cake, the Davidsbeenhere, delicious cake. We saw the whole process of Davidsbeenhere. She put the milk, she put eggs. I mean, she just made the flour, pressed it.
Sugar.
So we saw the whole process. Then she baked it for 30 minutes. And then we had a feast. We tried everything from the garden, olives, cheese. We have the bread that she makes. I mean, the whole thing was an experience. I highly recommend coming up here and doing this. If you could spend a night, that'd be great. But if you only come up here, you know, for a little while, I suggest either morning, afternoon, you know, go have lunch or dinner here. And guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me comment below, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Albania. Yeah, Gazor.